Okay, so when you guys are picking an area, there's going to be multiple different ones. You've got these gritty ones, you got the windy roads, you've got new developments, you got golf courses. We have upper class, we have middle class, lower class, and we have all of these different broad types of ranges. In the lower class, these are going to look a little bit more gritty. These are going to look like this, straight lines, straight box cut, and they're going to look kind of janky. If they're near a Chuck E. Cheese or a Dollar Tree, you're likely in the ghetto and you're going to want to get out of that neighborhood. We also have gritty that is like this, but the only difference is there's a university nearby or a golf course, and you'll see that these are a bit more green, and I'll jump into that in a second. But again, there's a university, and I don't know what it is about unis, but they always have people that have been there for a while. The next one that you're gonna knock, when these roads are windy, the people on opposite sides of the neighborhood will usually know each other. In these new development neighborhoods, these people, they are younger families, and they're usually gonna buy shit if you're the first one to come to their door with that thing. So when we're looking through all of these, I'll show you guys on the map what this looks like. All you gotta do is pull up Google Maps. You see how the hue is like white right here. Okay, so again, you guys are gonna want to sit around these fucking green pockets. All of these lighter ones like this stuff, look at the darkness compared there to over here. It's just way darker. These are people are gonna have way more money. A little free library. Oh, look at this. A fucking golf course on your shit. Yeah, bro, you got fucking money. You're gonna want to knock in those neighborhoods, not in the lighter ones like this one. That's gonna be the ghetto. Just know your boundaries of where you're going, and you're gonna stick to a little area. For the new developments, these are always going to be around the outskirts of the town, so you can look around and find all these little windy things, and you'll usually find one right nearby. And again, these are just all on the outskirts, so there's probably another one right here. There's a little one right there. When you find new developments, usually the neighborhoods around them are still going to be pretty good too. So all of this stuff will still be good. This is a newer development, so these are going to be younger family homes. It's only when you're in the city that you got all this white shit that you want to stay away from that. In short, that's how you're going to pick an area. Again, you're going to set little boundaries like this so that you have little pockets that you know where you're going to be knocking at, and you just stick into there. So I actually use something like Jack of Trades to do this. Really simple. You can DM me if you want to learn more about that. And with that being said, I want you to understand that when you go into an area and you start knocking, if you sit there and say that, oh, this area is bad, this and that, and you make excuses, you're not going to succeed. You're going to bounce around from area to area. You have to be able to have that laser focused vision. And with that being said, we can jump into the next thing.